And wait a minute, hold on. I think we got a FedEx truck coming. Is he coming? All right. See how that's gonna be. See how it's gonna be. All right. Fair enough, FedEx. Count your days. I owe you one. Welcome back to Switching Lanes, Detroit. You guys already know. You should already know me by now. If you don't know, you'll get to know me. Now we're gonna jump right in. I am fresh off of work, long day, 14-hour day, but I just couldn't wait anymore. So today is Monday, which you probably won't see this video for a couple days, but nonetheless, I just couldn't wait for the spark plugs to get here. So I started with the Merc already. Let me show you what I did, and then we'll go from there. But I can't wait for the spark plugs. Apparently they're stuck, which I kind of figured because of the holiday. No big deal, but I'm dying to see if this thing is going to start. Even with the plugs, I'm not going to drive it yet, but we have to see if this thing is going to start. It's killing me, the suspense. So now I was able to get the car turned around, as you can see. It was facing that way, but this is better because I have shade to actually work. Pushed it in that driveway, spent it around, pushed it back in this driveway, and here she is. So hopefully we can get it running, so therefore it can move on its own power. But for now, here it is. And let me jump up first before we go any further, man. Please, you guys, say some prayers for my family. I lost an aunt and a cousin, all within a week apart. So it's been really hard for my family. And, you know, they gained their wings, and it's kind of hard, but we're going to get through it. So please just say a prayer for me and my family. I really do appreciate it. But let's jump right in. Okay, so we got the new cap on, we got the rotor on, which is obviously behind the cap. I cleaned up that whole area inside there. I changed out the gasket, and I'm sorry I didn't record it. Mine was just somewhere else, so I just came out and just started working. And I should have recorded it still, just to kind of show you guys what I did. But nonetheless, here we are, it's done. So I noticed a big difference when I put on the new seal compared to the old ring, I'm sorry. And yeah, like I said, the way this cap sits in nice and flush compared to the other one, which kind of stuck out some. Now, these wires, I looked at every wire and they all seem to be fine, but they are the wrong wires. The wires that this vehicle actually takes, they actually sit a lot more flush than this. So therefore you could put the cover on with the Mercedes insignia or whatever emblem on it, and then there's a cover that goes here, which I think is in the trunk. And so yeah, I will be replacing these eventually, just not right now, because like I said, they're over $100 just for the wires. So I got this cover, all of that all cleaned up and everything like that. I reran the wire over here to the coil. Now this isn't going to stay like this forever, but I just did this because the way somebody else had it running, it was laying right on that housing, which obviously that housing heats up. So maybe it broke down this wire, I don't know yet. We'll know once we try to start it. And so yeah, that's really all I did. But I know the car, if the car is going to run, it's going to run. The spark plugs, unless it's broken or something, really won't stop the car from running. It'll just run like a misfire, so it's a little shaky or a rough idle or something to that effect. The battery's charged up, 2 amp charge, pretty much all yesterday. So we'll see if it runs on its own power, and we'll kind of go from there. Let's see if I'm forgetting anything. Let's check the oil. I did just do an oil change. Ooh, dripping. Something in there. I gotta get some paper towel to clean that up. But that's kind of where we're at right now. Like I said, I was trying to wait for the spark plugs, just like I told you guys. I'm too impatient, and I have to know it's hot out here. And we need to know where we stand. If the car won't start, that means it's something else, not the spark plug. So yeah. So that's where we stand. I just wanted to make this video real quick and simple, and you know, like I said, bring you guys along on this journey with me. Let me get my trusty little helper. Teach her how to start a car. I haven't taught her that yet, and we get to business. Let's go get her. Puppies, Sky Pie. Yo. Need you. Harley Safari. Come on.
Subscribe.
What are you watching?
Trolls World Tour.
Where are you watching Trolls World Tour?
Because it's brand new and it's the best.
Alright, let's go. Get your stuff. Let's go. Move it. Time to try to start the Mercedes. You think you can handle that? If I teach you how to start it, you think so? If it starts, don't pull off. Alright, you don't have a license yet.
I'm too young.
You're too young? Oh, okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Move it, 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 move it. Let's go, let's go. Here we go now. Why is the door unlocked? Were you in my car? While I was at work? No?
No.
You know how to start a car? Huh?
No.
Alright, take that. What is that called?
Key.
Alright, stick it in the ignition.
Right here?
Yep.
Now turn to the left or the right.
Just stick it in. So she don't know how to start a car, but she knew where to stick the key. Something's a little fishy. All right, turn it to the right. Don't turn it all the way. Just turn it till you hear a noise.
Wait.
Which way is your right? She only homeschooled for 2 months. You're embarrassing me, Harley. Which way is your right? Right. Okay, turn the key to the right.
This is hard to move.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, the steering wheel may be locked. Oh, it is. Okay. Okay, now, this is what you're gonna do. All right? You're gonna turn the key all the way to the right. If you hear it starts up, you let the key go. Can you handle that?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna record it just in case it starts. Can you handle that? All right. I trust you. All right. You may be my good luck charm. Give me some. All right, you ready? Ready? Go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Good job. Here, let me do my what the dash your kids do now? Back up. Let me back up. Give me some room. What your kids do now? Oh, look at that. And it even sounds good. Wow.
Long time doing this and he finally got it to work.
Huh?
He spent a long time doing this and he finally got it to work.
That's right.
I'm going to come here.
That's right. Look at that. It is running, my friends. The Mercedes is running. Now, it's for sale. It's a high mileage, highway miles. You know, a bit of a fixer-upper. Just had a brand new service done. She's ready to go, ready to hit the highway. Not really, but it's running. I fought the Mercedes and I won. So technically, I am a certified Mercedes mechanic, right? Technically, all right, Google says so that's all that matters. Car's running. I'm happy. I'm happy. I know we got way more to go, but I'm gonna take that for what it is. The car is running, the battery, no dead cells. You see it fire right up. I was worried about that because it's set over the winter. So it does have a warranty on it though. But man, I am happy. She may stay around a little bit. I mean, we still got some other stuff to do. We'll talk about that on another video. It started. So now, hopefully the spark plugs get here in the next couple of days. We'll go ahead and slap those in anyway. And we'll move on to the next thing, whatever that is. Well, we'll go for we need to test drive it just to make sure, because, you know, I did the brakes on it and I only was able to drive it once and everything like that. So get the parts moving. And we'll go from there, man. You guys are my good luck charm. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you next time. Peace.